So today is Thursday. It's been just a little over a week since I got to Washington, D.C., and last night they implemented a lockdown similar to New York City where non-essential workers are asked to stay at home. I don't plan on going back to the city until they open the labs again, so I thought it might be interesting to share with you my daily quarantine routine that I use to sort of try to stay healthy and sane. So I hope it helps. Here it is. When I wake up in the morning, I try to fight the temptation to be lazy and play on my phone, and I head straight for the bathroom. I wash my face in the morning, have a sip of water, and then I spend 10 minutes doing mindful meditation. I hope that this meditation will give me the focus and peace I need to get through the day. The very next and possibly most important part of my morning is my morning coffee. I do a cold brew, so I start my coffee at least 24 hours in advance by mixing it with some water and then letting it set in the refrigerator until the next day or longer when I filter out the coffee from the grounds. For my morning latte, I mix about a little more than a half a cup of cold brew coffee with a cup of almond milk and some monk fruit sugar for sweetness. Once I have my coffee, I try to spend 2 solid hours focusing on work because I believe the morning is the most productive part of the day. I got this idea from fellow vloggers Dana and Lou, who have a channel called Wild We Roam. After 2 hours of just coffee and focused work, it's time to have a healthy breakfast. I try to include a whole grain and protein in my breakfast, and a little bit of fruit and vegetables is also useful. So after breakfast, I take a few hours to either relax if it's a weekend or to work more if it's a work week, and then I make myself lunch. And I try to get some dark leafy greens every day to improve my immune system and stay healthy. Today I made a salad with baby spinach and some Primal Kitchen Caesar salad dressing, which is really good. It has avocado oil in it, some avocado pieces, some tomato, and some roast chicken. I also add a little Parmesan cheese, cracked pepper, and salt. Ooh. So after a few more hours of work or relaxation time at home, maybe after a movie on the weekend or 2 to 3 more hours of work during a weekday, it's time to get some exercise. I don't know about your situation, but in our building, the gym is closed, so we have to go outside to exercise. So we're gonna run and try to avoid people as much as possible. Keep at least 6 feet between us and the people, but exercise is important to keep your immune system healthy. After some outdoor exercise and some exposure to the world, I take a nice relaxing shower and then get ready for dinner. By dinner time, I usually have something a little more indulgent and a little less healthy. But when possible, it's nice to have a second salad. This time it's Mediterranean salad with olive oil and vinegar, tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, parsley, rice and meat. So after dinner, it's usually just me time, which usually involves watching TV or watching YouTube and having snacks. Right now I have strawberries, banana, but normally I have like chips or a candy or a cake, whatever I feel like, because I've had a long, good day and I feel like it's time to enjoy myself a little. And then it's bedtime. So I want to thank you for watching. I still have travel vlog content to share with you. I went to Norway before things started getting crazy, so I'm going to share some of that content over the next couple of weeks. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available.